everybody and welcome to Geordie Allotment. Today we're going to do more weeding and I'm going to get some more plants in, so don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and we'll show some more video later. So bye for now. Oh, by the way, before we move on, there is somebody I'd like you to meet. Meet the mother-in-law. Right, I'm sowing beetroot. There's a real bee. Then I'm going to mark that.
Yeah, we've run out of labels.
Right, I'll pinch one from that side.
Right. We need to put the...
Pinch one from there.
To put in that one.
Yeah, was it? Yeah.
They're about there.
You need a stick. Because you got them on this one.
Yeah, we're going to put another different brand of beetroot in.
What I do, this one, the same as this one.
Yeah.
And put them ones in there.
Yeah, so we've got two rows of the same and then the other one, two different ones. What are the brands? What are the code like?
These ones are called Thomas. No, these ones are called...
These are Wilkinson's boat hardy.
These are like an Italian name. These ones Italian name. That's the marker there.
Yeah. Right, I need another marker.
I mean, you're doing two. Going from the side there, hold from there.
These are decent, you know. It's usually in another package.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, that's usually in a packet, in a package. This is why you need a fucking garden now. This is why you need a garden now.
Empty now, is it?
Yeah, but I might for now.
And that's the beetroot in.
Right. I say we're doing this is first time I've ever grown, so it may work on it next year. Hopefully we're going to have polytunnel and we'll probably grow the proper plugs and put them in as plug plants. But see how things go. So right, I'll give you a tour of what we've done today. Weeded all that. So put all that plastic down to try and keep some of the weeds down. We're going to put some soil in the tyres, and we're going to put parsnips in, a little experiment. Under that's going to be sweets. We've got peas along the back, which we still haven't put the peels up, which is what we're going to do.
Yeah.
You know these beds are done, so I banked up the potatoes here, and we'll put some black stuff down there now to help kill the weeds. Where Danny's been moving all the rubbish from there across to there, so it's out the way. But we don't know we don't know if he's going to get rid of skip or not. So in that corner, everything's out the way, out the sight.
And then we can start working on this area and actually get a sitting area going.
Yeah, we're going to try and get this area done next. We've got a seating area, get some weed killer down onto that. Because that's sort of next season's job, except for the top bit here, which has got the rhubarb in.
And the apple tree.
And the apple tree. Where them two bins are, that's roughly the area we're going to put with polytunnel, so it's protected with the trees from the winds. If we don't do other beds here, we may get a second polytunnel, a longer one. So we've got two, if we can get the money to get two. And turn this into more beds once the potatoes are up. Because next year we'll probably do the potatoes in pots. So hope you've enjoyed today's tour. So catch yous again next week. So don't forget, thumbs up, subscribe, and have a good week. So ta for now.